Welcome back everyone. Today I will be showing you how I get these braids on my curly hair. So I start off with clean and dry hair, and then I just make my part down the middle using my nose as a guideline for the middle part. Just to make sure it's easy to braid, I detangle my hair with my tangle teaser, and I just make sure all the knots are out. You can always wet your hair a little bit for this part if you have trouble detangling it while dry. Using the curl control jelly, I just put that on the edges of where my braid is going to be. You can use something stronger or less strong for this. I just need braids for a day or two, so this is going to be perfect for me. To start my diagonal braid, I make a triangle at the beginning of the section, and then I split the section into 3 more sections. Before braiding, I just damp my hair a little bit to make it easier and give it a slip. Then I start with my 3 sections. How I start my braid is I leave the middle section in the front and then put the 2 sections behind the middle section. So I just do that one time, and then it ends up like this. And then I do it again just to make sure that I have a nice grip and everything is good, and I get a feel of how I'm going to braid throughout my whole hair. When it comes to grabbing the hair in the braid, I do not make a huge section for the hair. I just grab the hair that's on the surface. Yes, I make sure the hair on the surface is sectioned off, but I do not put my finger all from the edges to my hair to where I'm braiding, and it's really not needed. You just have to grab the surface of your hair and make sure that it's untangled. As you can see, I'm not reaching all the way back for the hair that I'm adding in. I'm just grabbing the surface, and make sure that your elbows stay up so that your braid does not fall. Honestly, the more you practice, the more you will get good grip and learn where your hands are comfortable. So just keep practicing and you'll get a hang of it and find out where your hands are comfortable and the best grip for you. Again, don't be afraid to damp your hair throughout the braid. I look really awkward, but make sure that you put the gel on the end of your hairs too so that they stay down. Then I seal the braid with a little black rubber band. Now I take the gel and I just flatten out any frizz or any uneven hairs, and then I'm going to grab my comb and just brush those down and then stuff them in with the bottom of the comb. I do my edges off camera, and then I'm just gonna braid the other side of my hair. The last step would be to add in any jewels if you have any. I got these from my local beauty supply store, but other than that, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to braid hair, and I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you guys are going to try this as well.